Start by clicking on the dedicated node for the report. Before you can begin the report, make sure to input the following information. Project details, including work data, project object, and the designer's information. Design firm info. It's important to provide a detailed description of the project that is specific to its unique features and requirements. Compose the report. In the header section, you'll find the project and firm data, together with the detailed description of the project. As part of the report, 2 isometric views of the model will be automatically included. Thanks to the integrated word processor's functions, you can customize the report according to your needs. Export the report to RTF if you wish to continue editing it with an external word processor. Save the report in PDF format for a non-editable version. If needed, print the report on paper.